Imagine you're a beginner to yoga, filled with excitement and a bit of trepidation. You've heard about the incredible benefits, physical, mental, and spiritual, but you're not quite sure where to start. You've stumbled upon a yoga video and the instructor mentions something called asana. What is asana and how does it fit into your yoga journey? Stage 1. Preparatory pose, preparatory asana. This is the foundation of your yoga practice. It's where you prepare your body and mind for the more challenging poses to come. Think of it as warming up before a workout. Common preparatory poses include sun salutation, Surya Namaskar, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana, warrior I, Virabhadrasana I, warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2, triangle pose, Trikonasana. The key here is to focus on alignment, breath, and gradually increasing your flexibility. Stage 2. Standing poses, standing asana. Once your body is warmed up, you'll move into standing poses. These poses challenge your balance, strength, and coordination. Popular standing poses include tree pose, Vrksasana, half moon pose, Ardha Chandrasana, eagle pose, Garudasana, chair pose, Utkatasana, warrior 3, Virabhadrasana 3. These poses can be intimidating, but remember to start slowly and gradually progress. Stage 3. Seated poses, sitting asana. Seated poses offer a different kind of challenge. They focus on flexibility, stability, and concentration. Common seated poses include lotus pose, Padmasana, cobbler's pose, Baddha Konasana, seated forward bend, Paschimottanasana, twisting pose, Ardha Matsyendrasana, meditation pose, Sukhasana. These poses can be quite calming and meditative. Stage 4. Inverted poses, inverted asana. Inverted poses challenge your balance, circulation, and strength. Popular inverted poses include headstand, Sirsasana, handstand, Adho Mukha Vrksasana, shoulder stand, Sarvangasana, plow pose, Halasana, legs up the wall, Viparita Karani. It's important to start with beginner-friendly inverted poses and gradually progress under the guidance of a qualified instructor. So, there you have it, the 4 stages of asana. Remember, it's not about rushing through the poses, but about enjoying the journey and listening to your body. With consistent practice, you'll discover the incredible benefits of yoga: improved flexibility, strength, balance, and mental clarity. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.